In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Mixpanel account. We'll walk through the sign-up flow from the home page to verifying your data connection so you're ready to start analyzing product usage. All you need is a browser and either a work email or a Google account to sign up. Start by heading to the Mixpanel website. On the home page, look for the Get Started Free button and click it to open the registration page. Here, you'll see options to sign up. You can type in your email to create an account and make sure to review and agree to the terms of use and privacy statements so you can proceed. If you prefer, you can also continue with Google. In this walkthrough, we'll choose the Google option. Click Continue with Google, pick the Google account you want to use, and confirm to continue. Next, you'll land on Onboarding. Enter your first name, then your last name, and click Next. These details help personalize your workspace and make collaboration clearer for teammates. You'll be asked a few quick questions to customize your experience. Select what kind of work you do, then click Next. Choose your role so Mixpanel can tailor default dashboards and suggestions to your responsibilities and click Submit. Now set up your workspace details. Type in your organization name. Choose how large your company is from the drop-down so Mixpanel can recommend the right setup. Select the industry that best describes your business. You'll also be prompted to choose a data center region. Pick the location that best aligns with your compliance needs and where most of your users are, as this can affect latency and data residency. When you're done, click Continue. If you see an additional confirmation screen, click Continue again to move forward. You should now be in your new project's home area. To get started quickly, click Quick Start. From there, click Connect Data. This is where you'd link an SDK, a data pipeline, or an import source so events begin flowing into your project. After initiating your connection, click Verify Connection. Mixpanel will check for incoming events and confirm that everything is wired up properly. If data is already flowing, you'll see that verification succeed. If not, don't worry. Once your app or source starts sending events, you can return to this page and verify again. And that's it. You've created your Mixpanel account, completed onboarding, and taken the first steps to connect data so you can explore reports and insights. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new Mixpanel workspace.